Wallpaper has become one of the easiest and most creative ways to refresh any room in 2026. Without the mess of heavy renovations, it allows you to completely transform walls with patterns, textures, and colors that match your style. From bold statement walls to subtle minimalist designs, today's wallpaper trends are redefining how we decorate our homes. Your walls set the tone of your living room, and the right wallpaper can instantly make a space feel bigger, cozier, luxurious, or ultra-modern. So if you're looking for fresh inspiration, stay tuned, because I'll be sharing the hottest wallpaper styles, patterns, and textures for 2026, with special focus on living rooms and home decor. Minimalist wallpaper designs. Minimalism is more than just simplicity. It's about creating a space that feels balanced and clutter-free. In 2026, minimalist wallpapers are leading the way with soft neutral palettes, matte finishes, and barely there patterns. Picture a living room wall in pale taupe with a subtle linen texture. It doesn't scream for attention, but it brings warmth and sophistication to the space. Pair it with clean-lined furniture and cozy textiles, and suddenly your room feels like a calming retreat. 3D wallpapers. 3D wallpapers are for those who want to make a bold design statement. They add depth and dimension, turning flat walls into architectural features. In 2026, geometric cube patterns, wavy designs, and marble-like illusions are all trending. When combined with accent lighting, these wallpapers can make your walls appear sculpted, as though they were carved or molded by hand. 3D wallpapers are also perfect for highlighting just one wall rather than covering an entire room. They act as the focal point and eliminate the need for heavy artwork or decorations. Nature-inspired designs. Bringing the outdoors in has never been more popular. In 2026, botanical prints, oversized tropical leaves, and watercolor landscapes are dominating wallpaper collections. Imagine a large living room wall covered in a forest-inspired mural. You instantly feel a sense of calm, as though nature is right inside your home. Or think about delicate watercolor florals in muted tones that soften the space and make it feel welcoming. Stone, wood, and bamboo effect wallpapers are also big this year. Metallic and luxury textures. Luxury in 2026 is about subtle glamour rather than loud shine. Metallic wallpapers with gold, silver, or bronze detailing bring richness without being overwhelming. For example, a deep navy wall with golden intersecting lines looks like a modern piece of art. Or imagine a pastel pink background with delicate rose gold brushstrokes. It adds charm and elegance while still keeping the room airy. Metallic wallpapers look their best in living rooms that get good lighting. Artistic and mural wallpapers. Art is no longer limited to frames, it's expanding across entire walls. In 2026, mural-style wallpapers are trending like never before. Picture a full wall behind your sofa that looks like a hand-painted watercolor landscape, or an abstract mural with sweeping brushstrokes and bold colors. This transforms your living room into a gallery-like space. Whether it's a dreamy cloudy sky, a modern cityscape, or abstract art, mural wallpapers allow you to express personality in a big way. They're also perfect for people who want unique designs, since many mural wallpapers can be customized for your space. Geometric patterns. Geometric wallpapers are evolving in 2026. They're not just about straight lines anymore. Expect layered hexagons, bold chevrons, asymmetric shapes, and playful color blocking. This design trend adds energy and movement to your living room. For instance, a wall in mustard yellow and black chevron stripes instantly makes the room pop, while pastel-toned overlapping circles create a softer, retro-modern look. Geometric wallpapers pair beautifully with modern, Scandinavian, and even industrial furniture styles. If you want a space that feels modern, lively, and youthful, geometric designs are the way to go. Textured wallpapers. Textures are all about adding depth to your living room walls. In 2026, we're seeing everything from faux concrete and stone finishes to fabric-inspired wallpapers like silk, linen, and velvet looks. Imagine a wall that looks like raw brick but is actually soft wallpaper, giving you the charm of industrial design without the heavy construction. Or a soft beige silk textured wallpaper that brings elegance to a neutral space. Textured wallpapers make a home feel warmer and more layered. They also pair wonderfully with modern lighting, as shadows highlight their details. Dark and bold wallpapers. For the brave, 2026 is embracing bold colors. Deep emerald, navy, charcoal, and even dramatic black wallpapers are making a comeback. These shades, once considered risky, are now loved for their moody sophistication. A black wallpaper with metallic accents feels rich and dramatic, while a dark green botanical print adds both coziness and luxury. Smart wallpapers. Yes, even wallpapers are becoming futuristic. Smart wallpapers in 2026 include LED-embedded designs, color-changing effects, and touch-responsive surfaces. Imagine a wall that glows softly at night or changes color with your mood. Some designs can even sync with smart home systems, adjusting brightness based on the time of day. Playful and personalized designs. Finally, personalization is shaping wallpaper trends. Many homeowners in 2026 are opting for custom-printed wallpapers that reflect their lifestyle. This could be anything from a world map mural for travel lovers, a family photo collage wall, motivational quotes, or even a design inspired by personal artwork. Personalized wallpapers allow you to tell your story through your walls. It's not just about design anymore, it's about identity. A living room becomes instantly more memorable when the wallpaper reflects the personality of the people living in it. And there you have it, some of the most exciting and creative wallpaper design trends for 2026. From minimalist textures and bold 3D walls to luxurious metallics, eco-friendly options, and futuristic smart designs, the choices are endless. The best part is that wallpaper gives you the freedom to experiment, customize, and completely transform your living room without breaking the bank. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.